everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. It's summertime, which means it's zucchini season. We're all trying to find different things to do with zucchini that's good and different, because I personally don't like to have the same thing over and over again. So I found something. I made it a few days ago and my family absolutely loved it, so I had to make it and show you folks. It's just a zucchini and carrot fritter, guys. Easy, simple, but absolutely fantastic. Okay, I have carrots grated up. I have mozzarella cheese. Don't worry about getting the trying to find the ingredients or amounts, because I will give them to you. I have breadcrumbs. My old flour bin, guys. I've had this jar, in all honesty, probably 30 years. I really have. Okay. Some flour. Okay. Seasonings to taste. I have Italian seasoning. Depends on what you like as to how much to put in there. Probably at least a teaspoon. And garlic powder again to taste. Again, at least a teaspoon. We love garlic in my house. Got just pepper. You can use the pepper that's already ground, or you can use the fresh cracked yourself. I couldn't find it, so I grabbed what I could find. And salt. Probably a half teaspoon. That's what we use. What you use is what your family likes. Okay, go ahead and start getting this mixed up. Get my clumps out of my cheese, otherwise we're going to have a big clump of cheese in one home. I would claim that one if that was the case. Okay. I have 2 eggs. I'm going to crack them in my mozzarella cup. That way I don't dirty another cup. And I'm going to beat them up. Okay. That's going to be part of our binder in there that holds everything together. Okay, let's give this a quick little stir. Okay, if you have cooked a lot with zucchini, you know zucchini has a lot of water in it, a lot of moisture content. Okay, you can see some has already started to drip out right there. So I'm going to get my towel and set it here. Now folks, you could use a kitchen towel, a clean kitchen towel, cotton towel to do this. Or you can do it the way that I'm going to do it right here. Look at all that water that comes out of that. The name of the game here is to squeeze it and try to get as much of that moisture out as what you possibly can. Otherwise, the patties are not going to hold together that well. You can go ahead and cut it, Holly. Okay. Folks, this is the amount of juice that I squeezed out of that zucchini. That is out of 2 medium zucchinis. So, now we're just going to go ahead and mix all this up. I have my pan preheating over there. Actually, it's my electric skillet, because it's non-stick and I can cook a lot more in that than what I can cook right here on my stovetop. So we'll just continue till we get all this mixed up, and then we'll get it in the pan. Alrighty, I've got this mixed up. Okay. And I've got about 1/3 of a cup of measuring cup. So I have my oil in the pan. So we're going to let it cook until it starts to brown, and then we're going to flip it. Alright. We're nice and golden brown. So that took probably about 3 minutes or so on the first side. It'll take about half that amount on the second side. Okay, this is done. Hopefully I can get this out of here without it falling apart, because guys, be honest with you, it's trying to fall apart. But guys, like I said before, this is real life. I don't cut the ugly out like so many other channels do. Okay. You can eat this just like this, or with a dollop of sour cream on there. So, there you go, folks. A zucchini carrot fritter. And trust me, it's amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next video.